the Pontifical Good Friday Collection. It should be important to Christians everywhere because it's our way of uniting ourselves, being in solidarity with that land where Christianity began.
The columns are about 50, 30 of which are painted with depictions of saints. The black smoke covers them almost entirely, and the first 2 meters were consumed by the hands of the pilgrims, thus removing the pictoric area.
Molto brevemente è che bisogna allargare il percorso.
Let me explain it briefly. The project aims to widen the path of visitors. Visitors usually come for half an hour, get off the bus, visit the grave, go back on the bus and leave. We would rather offer them a better experience here in a place that reminds them of the gospel story, a beautiful and historic place. At the same time, if they stay longer, this could benefit the local community.
Allo stesso tempo, stando qui